Unfortunately, the second pump broke, so we're just gonna try popping it as hard as we can. So let's see who could pop it. All right, so he climbed the wall, and now he's gonna try popping it. 3, 2, 1, come on. Oh, that went high.
Okay, my friend is already on the wall. 3, 2, 1. Okay. See you on the next attempt.
All right, so he said he wants to do it harder. So in 3, 2, 1. Oh, that went super high. I don't want to jam my fingers from that.
Okay, my friend is on the wall right now. In 3, 2, 1, go.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay. All right, subscribe.
Subscribe.